friends, since Chaumasa is here, we have another filling recipe for you, that is veggie paratha. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for the filling are bananas, corn, paneer, peas, bottle gourd, garam masala, sugar, turmeric powder, French beans, Dhana Jeera powder, salt, green chillies and mint leaves. First, I have taken 2 raw bananas, just pressure cook it and then grate it. In that I have taken 1/4 bottle gourd, also known as dudhi, just grate it and then remove all the excess water. It should be this dry. Then 4 tablespoon crushed peas, 3 tablespoon crushed French beans and 3 tablespoon crushed sweet corn. 1 teaspoon Dhana Jeera powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon green chillies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon powdered sugar, 1.5 tablespoon mint leaves, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now just mix all of this together. So I have added bottle gourd because usually we don't end up eating bottle gourd. In this we don't even get a taste of it and it's healthy. So that's the reason I have added it. Now we'll add paneer. Just squeeze it with your hand. Our filling is ready. The final ingredients required for veggie paratha are paratha dough and the filling which we just prepared. Divide your paratha dough in small balls and then start rolling it. Don't make it too thin because we are going to put the filling inside. Divide your filling into small balls. Place it inside. Make a potli. Just remove little excess dough from up. Press this. Dust it in flour and now gently start rolling it again. Now the size and the thickness depends on y'all. I'm not going to make it too big. I'm going to keep it small and little thick. Now this is done. We are just going to roast this. So after rolling it, we are going to roast it on tawa. So first we'll roast both the side and then apply ghee and then again roast it. Once both the sides become golden brown, we are going to add ghee. And again roast it. Our veggie paratha is ready. Serve it hot. Our veggie parathas are ready. I hope you all like this recipe, and for more such recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain.